finally, we have something happening in the airdrop space. So we're gonna go and do some airdrop checker. There's a few airdrop checkers that we need to talk about. And so we decided we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is the Optimism Airdrop 6. It is coming very, very soon. So a reminder, this is a reminder, go to their super account over here, connect, do all of the tasks, which I am not doing, but simply connect it over here. You can connect to the MetaMask, Backpack, Ponte, whichever wallet you want. And as you see over here, make sure to go and claim the badges over on the super account, which is what is important to go and do for the airdrop. So there's 13% that are allocated for future airdrop, which means that 550 million OP token are going to be eligible for the future airdrop. And one of the things over here, for example, we simply go and connect my main account over here, and we go to account number 1, which is my main one. So we sweep to Optimism, and then you're able to go and check the value, do the transactions, the badges, and all of the things as we see over here. Go and grab them. And it is important that you go and do what you need to go and do. Now, here we are on the Optimism. As we see here, switch to Optimism, and it will be switched to the Optimism wallet in, unconditionally, immediately with your account. But this is mine, and as we see, I don't have the badges because you need to go and do a number of transactions made on base, a number of transactions made over here. So as we see here, you gotta go and do X transaction, 5, 6, 7 transaction on mainnet. So if you go and do it, this will be for the next airdrop, which is right here, this season 7. So just a quick reminder, make sure to go and do all of this, as it is very, very important for you to go if you want the next airdrop. Next up, we have a delayed over on the WCT token, which is the WalletConnect token. As we see over here, the sell orders go between 21 cents and 28 cents on the world's market cap, but it is going to be a little bit delayed, the token generation event, and I think it's good in this market condition. Nobody should launch a token. Let me know your opinion down in the comments below, but good that it is being delayed. Potentially could have more value once we actually start regrouping from this crypto market crash that crazy people are doing on the back end in the politics situation. Next up, we have, as we see over here, the UGA airdrop. So you're able to go and claim your UGA airdrop. If you are within the Berachain ecosystem, then this is the one for you. Make sure to go and check your wallet, check different wallets. We got the airdrop, the redemption, as we see over here. And this is very easy. If you have traded over on their platform, on the Ooga Booga platform within the Berachain ecosystem, then you will be eligible for this airdrop. It is very simple. The more you traded, the more you swap, the more you have accumulated their token, the better it is, and the more transaction you've done, the more airdrop allocation you have in your pocket. So let me know if you are eligible down in the comments below. I don't really use the Berachain ecosystem. I have started recently and I'm working towards it, but this is new to me. Next up, we have the Hyperlane airdrop. Now we know that we can claim the Hyperlane airdrop, and I have already went and registered, and you can do this up until the April 14th. So you got 10 days and you will be able to claim the airdrop on April 22nd. If you haven't, simply come to the page over here, connect your wallet, which in my case it was the MetaMask wallet. And then once you have connected it, you will be able to go and check your allocation and link your wallet to their page. As we see over here, I have registered. I would get my Hyper token over on the airdrop, on the Arbitrum chain, sorry. Then I got 1,800 tokens. So let me know your allocation down below. But here it is also the Cybele situation. So the Hyperlane uses a scoring system to check how likely an account is a Cybele, which it was based on receiving transaction exclusively from other hyper-eligible airdrop, 30% weights with a multiplier. Then we got the total transaction sent, and then we got the proportion of the interaction with other hyper-eligible airdrops. So in my case, I have not been flagged as a Cybele, but if you did, let me know in the comments below. And it is very easy. From this website over here, simply claim and check. Go and do the registration. If you are eligible, great. Then you're not a Cybele. If you're a Cybele, contact the support team over on their Discord, which you will be able to find over on their official Twitter page. As we see here, this is the distribution as well. We got 57% to the community, which 25.5% is for the expansion rewards, 11.5% is for strategic launch provision, 7.5% of all of this is for the airdrop, and 20% is for the stacking rewards. So they want people to stake their token. We then have 25% for the contributors, 11% for the backers, and 7% for the foundation. So this is how the airdrop is going to look like. Next up, we also have the claiming of the airdrop of the StakeStone airdrop, which it is this one right here. If you are eligible, the snapshot was taken on 2025 on, I believe, March 1st, as we see over here. And make sure to go and enter it. Simply connect your wallet. If you do have the possibility to go and connect it, I connect my MetaMask wallet, for example. We can go and connect it. It is within the Ethereum ecosystem, and go and check if you are eligible or not. Click over to next. As we see here, I'm not eligible, but I didn't even use. This was like a restacking protocol. You stake Ethereum, you get Stone Ethereum. With Stone Ethereum, you can do this and that. So this kind of thing, I try to avoid it simply because could be fluctuation within the thing. So it's a little bit of a no-go in my opinion. But if you did, go and claim it, because you can already claim it. As we see here, we got 28 days. Next up, we have the Blum airdrop criteria has officially been revealed as well. You are eligible for the Blum airdrop if you have a minimum of 100k BP points, minimum of 750 meme points or POA, proof of activity completed, then a minimum of 2 referrals. So it comes into play the referrals right here. The snapshot hasn't been taken yet, as we see here, so you're still in time to go and do it. The airdrop minimum criteria on the roadmap for Q2 and Q3, so you still have time to go and grab it. Make sure to do it if you are eligible for it. If you want to be eligible for it, then go and do these 3 criteria over here. Next up, we have the Privasea snapshot instead has been taken. So this airdrop, if you are participate, the token generation event and the airdrop will come later on. If you did participate in the Privasea snapshot, which I have not done it, it's great. So it was a count final star count final system, as we see over here, which you know, seems good. But let me know what you think, and let me know if you are eligible down below. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy today's video. I'll try to keep it short. I'll try to keep it sweet for you all, and I will see you in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.